going on, guys? Quick little vid today, installing K&N filter on the Low Rider S. The OEM stock filter that came on the bike, haven't changed it. It's kind of dirty. Figured it's time for the new filter. Here's the K&N. Stick around, let's get this filter installed. Alright, so I am gonna try to see if my little tool pouch, I carry this tool pouch everywhere with me on the bike. This stays on the bike. It is a little small pouch by Cruz tools. It is like a little speed kit. I'm gonna see if everything needed to change the filter out is in this little pouch. It's a little $18 pouch I bought from Amazon. It might come in handy if you don't have nothing like this on the bike. It does come with a bunch of different little stuff. A spark plug socket. It did not come with this adjustable. I threw this little husky in there, a little cheap, small little adjustable, but everything else you see here came in this kit. And it looks like we have an Allen key that does fit in the kit. So let's see if we can change this filter with only the stuff inside of this kit. So like I said, first time changing the filter on this bike, and that's where I'm gonna learn today. Filter doesn't look too bad now. I'm looking at it, but it is the original one. It does have a blow-by stuff, typical with these M8s. But I just wanted to go ahead and change that and go over to the K&N style filter. Like I said, everything right in this Cruz toolkit. I'll show you the difference real quick. I believe they said these come pre-oiled. This one's the one that's been on there. It does look like paper, I guess, compared to this one. Let's throw this one on there. And should be easy. All right. Cover plate. That's it. Like I said, I only use the little kit that I carry on the bike with me all the time. It's a Cruz Tools speed kit. It has pretty much, they say it has anything you would need if your bike was to break down on the side of the road. You would have everything right here: spark plug, socket, little small wrench, a couple other wrenches, half inch, tire pressure check, a couple Allen keys, screw, little 10mm socket, a couple Torx bits, screwdriver. The only thing I added, like I said, is a little husky wrench. But that's it. New filter installed. Appreciate you guys tuning in again. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.